In this demonstration, I'm going to show how we can force people to walk on paths instead of crossing the lawn. So this isn't really an error, but it's something we want to fix in the model. Again, we're thankful to Federico of ABDR Architect Associates for sharing this model, and it's been a really good demonstration model. Okay, so what I decided to do here was to look at the model with the imported geometry shown. And I can see some things here that I didn't see before. And so for one thing I see is that probably here, this is intended to be define some paths. So let's go ahead, and I don't see this if I hide the imported geometry. You can see I can't see that. So let's go ahead and let us uh, show the geometry again. And let's use this now to draw so that we don't walk, we only walk on the paths. So we're just going to cut out some of the geometry here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a polygon, I'm going to pick the Z, and now I'm just going to start to draw here. And I'm not going to draw it real precisely. And this was that arc that we deleted before. And I was kind of curious why that arc was there. And I can see it's part of this geometry. Okay, so I'm just going to now delete that, and that will cut a hole in it. Okay, we're going to do this again down here. Okay, I delete it. So I believe that is the intent. You only want this geometry to represent the actual walking paths. And again, we can see here we have this interesting problem of we need to merge, or maybe we don't. Let's hide the imported geometry. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so that all looks good. Just for the fun of it, if you want to see, let's look at the mesh triangles. Okay, so it looks like a great walking mesh. That looks just fine. Okay, so that fixes that. So thank you. And again, this is the model by ABDR, and we appreciate them letting us use it.